October already. Let's do something that benefits to your home. Here are the top 5 October home maintenance tips. 1. Check and clean gutters. As leaves begin to change and fall, make sure to clear out gutters to prevent blockages that could lead to water damage or ice dams during the winter. 2. Inspect heating systems. Schedule a regular furnace or HVAC inspection to ensure the system is working efficiently before the colder months arrive. 3. Seal drafts and leaks. Check your windows and doors for gaps and use weather stripping or caulking to keep the warm air in and cold air out. 4. Test smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. With heaters and fireplaces in use, it's essential to ensure these safety devices are functioning properly. 5. Prepare outdoor spaces. Clean and store outdoor furniture and disconnect garden hoses or lines to prevent freezing in outdoor faucets. In addition, prune and mulch. Pruning shrubs and trees in the fall can help improve air circulation and reduce the risk of falling branches. By following these home maintenance tips, you can ensure your home remains safe, functional, and beautiful all winter long. If you are moving to Gainesville, Florida, contact Sarah Blumberg, your local real estate agent,